you taking a lot.
I just.
Oh, sit. Sit.
Oh man, it's fogged up.
Oh my gosh. Where the car at? Wait. That's a lot, bro.
I appreciate that, girl. I needed that. I needed that, great. I did that for you. I started losing track. The first person I investigated was you, and he said this, and I still got you killed. I forgot.
What? Hey yo, it all started with her.
Me watching the channel. Hi, I'm Trey, and this is watching the channel.